Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about rounding to greatest place value for an integer. So an integer looks something like this. For example, let's say 55. 55 is an integer. So to find the greatest place value, what you need to do is the greatest place value is going to be at the leftmost position of the integer. For example, 55, the leftmost is going to be here. So now you take the next one. You look at the next digit next to this one, and then if it is 5 or greater, then you round up. In this case, you round up because 5 is 5 or greater. That means that you need to make the greatest place value, you need to round it up. So instead of 5, you're gonna put 6. So the answer to this one is 60. Let's say you have 78. The greatest place value is 7. So you look at the next one. Is 8 greater is 5 is 8 5 or greater is 5 or greater than 5? Yes. So you round up 80. So what you have to do is this. You have to put a 0 instead of the next one. You round up, you have to put a 0 next to this one. You round up, so you have to put a 0, and then you move 1 unit up of the greatest place value. Let's say you have 54. 54, the greatest place value is 5. So the next digit is 4. So is 4 5 or greater than 5? No. So you round down. So what you have to do is like this. You put a 5, you leave the 5 by itself, and then you put a 0 because you round down. So let's look at another one. 92. Greatest place value is 9. Look at the next digit. Is 2 5 or greater? No, so you round down. So you leave the 9 by itself and you put a 0. So sometimes you're gonna be talking about money. Money, for example, 1,200. Now this one you need to round up or down to its rounding to its greatest place value. So the same, it's gonna work the same basically way. The greatest place value is 1, and then you look at the next digit, 2. Is 2 5 or greater than 5? No. So what you do is you put a 1, you put 0 0 0. You make everything else a 0. So this one we round down. Let's say you won't have money. Let's say it is 2,500. You look at the greatest place value is 2, and then you look at the next digit. Is 5 equal to 5 or greater than 5? Yes. So we round up, and then so for here you're gonna you round up the 2, so it's gonna become a 3. You add 1 unit to the greatest place value, and then you put 0 0 0. So 2,500 becomes 3,000. Let's look at 2 more of examples of this one. Money. For example, 7,700, and you're talking about money, dollars. So you look at the left, greatest place value is 7. Now you look at the next digit. Is 7 5 or greater than 5? Yes. So you move up. Then it's gonna become 8 0 0 0. One more. you do 99. What's the greatest place value? Is 9. You look at the name digit. Is 9 greater? Is 5 or greater than 5? Yes. So you move up. Notice you're gonna put a 0 for this 9, but then 9 goes up. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So you have to put 100, and that's your answer. But remember, don't forget the dollar sign. Units are important. So that's all you needed to do. You look at the greatest place value, which is the leftmost position of the integer. Then you look at the next digit. If the next digit is 5 or greater than 5, you round up. If the next digit is less than 5, you round down. That's all I wanted to teach you on this video. Thank you very much.